Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Here we have the Xiaomi second generation Bluetooth speaker and it's a portable one. So let's open the package and see what we have. As you can see, it comes in a nice little white box with some specifications written in Chinese on the back. So let's get it out and see what it looks like. There is a manual, but it is only in Chinese, so it's not really going to be much of help. But it's very easy to set it up anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Let's just remove this plastic. The front is covered by a very nice texture, which has a rubberized feel to it. And behind here are two speakers, one on each side, and a bass unit in the middle. Around the speaker there's an aluminum frame, and on top is a power button and the volume up and down buttons. These are also made of aluminum. There is also a built-in microphone, so it can be used for phone calls, and to answer a call you just have to click the power button, and to hang it up you click the power button again. Under the speaker we only have the two rubber feet and nothing else. On the back we have a micro USB and an AUX in port, which is very nice because you can connect it to your computer, MP3 player or any other device with a cabled connection. It can also charge and play music at the same time. It has Bluetooth 4.2, which means it has better range, lower power consumption, better speed, better signal management and more. And the battery life is about 10 hours, which is very good for a speaker of this size. Let's set it up and see how it performs. The sound is very clear and the bass is deep, and it simply sounds very, very good. The build quality is very good and it even looks good. At a price of only $25 US, I highly recommend this speaker for anyone who wants a small portable Bluetooth speaker. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, comment and like. Bye bye.